The world awakens slowly here, in the heart of the Swiss Alps. In the Rosenlaui Valley, the first light doesn't arrive with a burst, but as a gentle, creeping luminescence. Time here moves in the steady rhythm of nature itself. Leaving the quiet solitude of the hotel behind, one steps onto the walking path that meanders through the heart of the valley. To one side, the Weissenbach River glides by, its waters so clear you can count the smooth stones on its bed. Tiny fish dart like slivers of silver. The path leads you deeper into this verdant paradise. The air is thick with clover and the hum of bees. Wildflowers and butterflies dance along your way. The transition from the open valley to the glacier gorge is immediate and profound. A plume of fine mist rises from its depths. You step onto a sturdy wooden walkway that clings to the rock as the river becomes a furious, churning torrent. Surfaces polished to a dark sheen, streaked with quartz and iron. Yet in sheltered alcoves, calm pools reflect the world like black mirrors. In the face of such ancient force, human concerns shrink. This gorge is a living entity, sculpted by water over millennia. You pass through one final short tunnel, and in a single step you are propelled back out into the light. High summer, wildflowers at their peak. The Weissenbach meanders peacefully beneath handcrafted bridges, places to stop and appreciate the simple beauty. You meet other walkers, solitary figures in small quiet groups, sharing a silent camaraderie. A moment for quiet reflection as tranquility seeps in. As the afternoon wanes, the Rosenlaui Valley is bathed in a soft, ethereal light. The peaks catch an alpenglow, pink, amber, gold, painting a fleeting masterpiece across the sky. The hotel sits like a beacon of comfort, warm windows, the promise of rest. The valley offers a final, warm embrace. Until we meet again, carry the light of this place within you.